I'm going to show you how to fix the error of not enough space available on your disk to complete this operation. There are a couple of different methods, but the first one is we'll head on down to our search bar, type in cleanup, and then select disk cleanup. With this window now open, what we need to do first is click clean up system files here and give that a few moments to process. Once that's done, now we want to select every option here, and then it will tell you the amount of disk space you're going to gain by doing this, which for me is 1 GB, but for you will likely be a lot larger. And then select OK, and then click delete files. Next, open up the search again and type in storage, and then select storage setting. From here, you might need to scroll down a little bit, but just ensure that storage sense is enabled here. If it is not enabled, make sure you turn it on. Close out of that, and then finally open up your search again and type in programs, and then select add or remove program. From here, we want to select sort by, and then select large to small under size. Now, all you need to do is scroll down this list and find any applications that are either excessively large or applications that you no longer use anymore. And then once you find something that you want to remove, all you need to do is hover over to the three dots to the right, click more options, and then click uninstall. You should now have enough space on your disk. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.